Let's talk about functions in Unity. A function is crucial for ensuring that your code is clean, organized, and efficient. It will run an entire segment of code by just calling one line and will run this from top to bottom. Functions are also necessary for making certain UI elements like buttons, as the reference is usually a function. The most common functions are start and update, with also the awake, late update, and fixed update functions being commonly used in place of these. Let's break down the basic functions. Start is called on the first frame update of a game and not called again. Update, called every frame, but this does depend on the hardware, as quicker systems will run this more. Awake is called before the start script, ideal for loading data before other scripts run. Late update is called once per frame after update, basically at the end of each frame. Good for camera following and any physics-based things like that. Fixed update, called at a fixed interval, but does not get affected by the system's frame rate like update. Okay, let's make our own function. We're going to start by breaking it down. Void is where the return type is. This is what the code expects to be returned when it's finished, and return types are of the following: int, float, string, or bool. Void means it returns nothing. Next is the function name, which is solely picked by you. It can be anything you like and makes sense to solely you. Finally is the parameters. This is an input that is needed by the function to operate and can be helpful for passing through things like damage values. The function is then called from one of the previous spoke about functions with its name followed by brackets, of course filling out the brackets if an input is needed. And that covers a brief overview of functions. I hope you've learned a new trick or simply just enjoyed. Thanks for watching.